Before you donate that old car to a charity, ask them, where does the money go? Most charities take the vehicle, send it to an auction or scrapyard, and apply the proceeds toward their cause. Cars for Heroes makes every effort to repair the donated vehicle and award it to a veteran, active duty military, or first responder who is unable to obtain one on their own. Some vehicles' repair costs are more than the car is worth or can't be fixed, so we will send those vehicles to auction or scrapyard and apply that money to obtain parts and repairs to the repairable vehicles. We work with auctions to pick up the cars, and they can give us a report on the car condition to see if it is cost-effective to repair it. We accept vehicles nationwide at no cost to you. Follow our social media, and you might see the person we award it to. Apply or donate at carsforheroes.org. We award cars all year long, but in December, close to Christmas, the Car Santa awards 20 to 30 cars, all in one morning, and has for 30 years. If you want to help but don't have a vehicle to donate, we can always use cash donations on our website. Give a hero a hand up with the tool of transportation. carsforheroes.org